This patient has a slight open bite between the lateral incisors. To set the IPR value, we will proceed with the final setup first. We plan to perform IPR on teeth with a large amount of overlap mainly, such as between the lateral incisors and the canines, and between the central incisors of the maxilla. 0.3 millimeters IPR between number 11 and 21, number 12 and 13, number 22 and 23, number 23 and 24, number 42 and 43, number 43 and 44, number 32 and 33. In Layer 1, we proceed with expansion in the maxilla by applying plus torque. Tilt the labial side to make an undercut so that it can act as a support during extrusion. The mandible was also expanded by applying plus torque and labial bodily movement. In Layer 2, we will proceed rotation leveling mainly. Adjust axis by applying tip. In Layer 3, we will adjust extrusion to resolve open bite. Set the Z-axis movement option to OCC and Setup, or multi-select teeth to apply extrusion to the occlusal direction. In Layer 4, we will proceed retraction mainly. Be careful that the amount of overlap is not biased to one side only. Apply minus torque to the extruded teeth to obtain an additional extrusion effect. Check the amount of overbite and overjet. In Layer 1, the most moved teeth, number 23, is about 0.7 millimeters, and number 43 is about 0.6 millimeters. We will divide the steps based on this. In Layer 2, tooth number 22 and 42 are the teeth that have moved the most. Divide the steps based on this. When dividing a step, we need to check the amount of movement, not only in the occlusal plane, but also in several views. In layer 3, tooth number 11 and 43 are the teeth that have moved the most. Divide the steps based on this. In layer 4, tooth number 21 and 41 are the teeth that have moved the most. Divide the steps based on this. Finally, check the number of aligners through Show All Steps function.